Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's TGIF. First, I got sheared. I feel human again. It was really bugging me. All right, enough about this. Last night, the culinary expedition was in Japan. Oh, for a hot day yesterday, we were at about 102 to 103 here in Sutter County, California. I prepared soba noodle salad. This is a dish I think any adventurous person should try to prepare. It's super simple. Super simple. You just got to have some basic ingredients. And then you can add to it. And that's exactly what I did. All the notes that I refer to are in the recipe. This one you can have fun with. Yeah. Again, soba noodle salad from Japan. All right. Being Friday, I don't do it every Friday, but I try to. It's Pasta Friday. I'm just going to show you the basis, the base that I'm starting with. And then I'm going to add to it. I'm going grocery shopping this morning, so I might add a few fresh vegetables as I go shopping. So let's get to it. Hard roll's real simple. One Dutch oven with water, salt. That's all I need. That's it. And a colander. All right. Software. Kosher salt, black pepper, butter, extra virgin olive oil, Szechuan pepper flakes, garlic, lots of garlic, Parmesan cheese, grated, and linguine. I'm using linguine. I love linguine. So this is the base for my Pasta Friday. So again, the soba noodle salad was perfect for a day like yesterday because you can either eat it at room temperature or you could eat it cold because all the vegetables are raw. All right. I posed a question yesterday. Would you watch a live broadcast of me cooking? A dish that is suggested by you, the CCK members, within reason. Let me know. All right, on this TGIF, stay cool, stay hydrated, stay indoors if you can. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.